Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to set Spotify song as ringtone on your iOS or Android device. Whether you want to answer your calls with the beats of the latest playlist or just want to have personal thoughts on your notifications, I have got you covered. In this quick guide, I will be showing you guys how to set Spotify song as ringtone in just a few simple steps. So, without any further ado, let's dive right in. Launch your Spotify app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the song that you want to download and set as a ringtone. So this is the song. Now at the bottom right of the song, you're gonna find the share icon. Click on that. You're gonna get different option. You are able to share this song to WhatsApp, stories, and any other social media platforms given over here. But you won't find the option to set as a ringtone or download this song. Click on three dots. In this page as well, you're gonna find different options as add to playlist, hide song, share, view artist, and many more. But you won't find the option to download this song or set as a ringtone. Due to digital rights management, DRM protections, you are not able to download the song from Spotify and set it as a ringtone. Rather, what you can do is play the song and record it from another device. You can send that music to the device in which you want to set it as a ringtone. Then you can easily do that by heading towards your Settings app. Then navigate to the option Sound and Haptics. Click on the option of ringtone. And in this page, you're going to find that file. Just check in for it. With that, you'll be good to go. So this way, you can easily set Spotify song as ringtone. Setting your favorite Spotify song as a ringtone is not a straightforward task due to digital rights management. However, with these steps, you can easily set it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have got any issues, you can comment down below.